Have you ever wanted to make a story video for your blog, class project, YouTube, Instagram, or digital course, but you don't know where to start? And do you want to create something simple, quick, and easy? If so, my story of how I started making story videos without experience in 2015 may solve your problem. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. I would like to explain how I started making the first 30 story videos for the Snow Sugar Video YouTube channel without any video making experience and no budget. I used what I had: a video camera on my iPhone 5S, a headphone mic that came with an iPhone, a free screen recorder called Screen-O-Matic because I was a Windows user, Google Slides, and an iMovie app. My first goal was to make a slideshow video with background music. The second goal was to add a video in between a slideshow with background music. Then the third goal was to make a 1-minute story video. There were 3 steps to how I made 1-minute story videos. Step 1: craft a story for a 1-minute story video due on Monday. Step 2: record the voiceover narration as well as some video clips and screencasts the following Monday or Tuesday. Step 3: creating a story video for the following Wednesday or Thursday. For 10 weeks, I made 3 1-minute story videos per week. That's how 3 of us who had no experience of filmmaking made 100 story videos on the Snow Sugar Video YouTube channel in our early days, 2015, as well as creating my first online course videos. We did it, so you can too. Because I had a few requests to go over the basics of story video making. The great news is that I am hosting 3 story video basic lessons for you that will help you to get started making story video with basic gear. 3 basic lessons are: basic story video production process. I will explain how I made my first 30 story videos, and you will know where to start making your own. Time management in story video making. I will share how I block my calendar to manage my story video production time. Growth mindset for story video creators. I will share my experience of how to shift to a growth mindset. 3 lessons are for super beginners who want to be YouTubers, course creators, digital entrepreneurs, and inspire others via the sharing of their story video. I'm really happy to work with you to help your successful story video productions and grow your community. You will be surprised at how simple it is to make story videos and engage a large number of new viewers by sharing your story videos. Let's get started. See you inside the class.